Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adriana Hendraningrat, and I would like to present about overview of bacterial pattern and their sensitivity to antibiotic in Cirebon Permata Hospital. The background. The use of broad-spectrum antimicrobial can increase the number of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and we need bacterial pattern and their sensitivity to antibiotic to initial guidelines in selecting antimicrobial at Permata Cirebon Hospital. Background. In Vesti-Ladia Research et al. 2016, data on bacterial pattern Staphylococcus species dominantly found resistant antibiotic, namely penicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin, and the sensitive antibiotic is meropenem. In Mega Wiroswati 2014, Staphylococcus species was dominantly found gram-positive bacteria highest resistant to ampicillin, moxifloxacin. Gram-negative bacteria show the highest resistance to amoxicillin result. All the studies above show the average penicillin group has been resistant, and Staphylococcus species was dominantly found. And the question is there any difference at Permata Cirebon Hospital? Research purposes. Knowing the description of the most bacteria and the description of antibiotic that have been resistant in Permata Cirebon Hospital for the period 2019 and 2020. Knowing the description of the most common type of specimen and room bacterial culture. Analyzing the safe in bacterial picture patterns. Method. This type of research is a quantitative descriptive using cross-sectional research method and retrospective approach using secondary data. Secondary data in the form resistant culture result in the clinical pathology laboratory at Permata Cirebon Hospital. The same used in the study was laboratory culture data in 2019 and 2020 as many as 348 samples. Inclusion criteria. Result of bacteria culture and antibiotic susceptibility test. Exclusion criteria, culture result other than bacterial culture result. And we can see the research step. The research result. Specimen type. The 3 specimens with the most culture tests were pushed with an average of 66.1%, followed by urine and by blood. There are increased number of specimens pushed in 2020. Room origin. The room that sent the most culture test specimen was the 3rd floor inpatient room, which was 57.6%. Bacterial culture. A total of 348 specimen, 68% is positive and 32% is negative. Bacterial pattern. The most commonly found are from gram-positive bacteria Staphylococcus, and the other are the gram-negative Escherichia and Klebsiella. And in 2020, there are no big difference. Bacterial sensitivity to antibiotic. The sensitivity of antibiotic to all bacteria found out that the penicillin class of antibiotic, like penicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin, were resistant to the bacteria found. For other group, they are the tetracycline group, minocycline, and cephalosporin group, cephalotin. Resistant antibiotic. As a result, the cephalosporin group, cephalotin, was in the top rank by 87%, followed by the penicillin group, namely penicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin. The most sensitive antibiotic from the tetracycline group, namely tigecycline, and the oxazolidine group, linezolid, vancomycin, cefoxitin, and meropenem. The distribution of antibiotic sensitivity to gram-negative bacteria in 2019, the single penicillin antibiotic group, such as ampicillin, was resistant to the bacteria found, while the combination penicillin was less sensitive. And to gram-negative bacteria 2020 is the same as 2019. And the distribution of antibiotic sensitivity to gram-positive bacteria in 2019, penicillin group of antibiotic is resistant to Staphylococcus bacteria, only penicillin group with a combination that is still sensitive. For Enterococcus and Streptococcus bacteria are still sensitive. And gram-positive in 2020 is the same as 2019. Discussion. The type of specimen the most were pushed. There was due to the large number of surgical cases at Permata Cirebon Hospital, and the origin of inpatient room dominate. With the most inpatient delivery from 3rd floor, because many surgical cases were placed inpatient on the 3rd floor of Permata Cirebon Hospital. Negatively, Results are high, 31.6%, above 50% of the sample is pushed. This should be discussed with whether there is a need for a push sampling workshop. Although there was no shift in the pattern of bacteria because the most bacteria was still dominated by gram-positive, namely Staphylococcus species, but there is an increase in the number of bacteria from 2019 as many as 11 types of bacteria to 21 types of bacteria in 2020. The most resistant antibiotic is cephalosporin group, namely cephalotin, and then the penicillin group was penicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin. This result is different from several studies like studies by Vesti Ladiana. The most common gram-negative bacteria, namely Escherichia, with the result that 56% were sensitive. For the most resistant for Escherichia is penicillin group. The most sensitive to Escherichia are aminoglycoside antibiotic. This result in line with several studies conducted by Megawirati et al. In gram-positive, the most bacteria found was Staphylococcus species. The result are 69%, and the most effective one are Ticarcilli, vancomycin, linezolid, and the most resistant group were penicillin, tetracycline, and quinolone group. From the result of gram-negative and gram-positive resistant, the penicillin group ranked first as the most resistant. This bacteria produce beta-lactamase enzyme to fight penicillin antibiotic. Bacteria adapt quickly to changes in antibiotic pressure because the genes that code of resistance are located either on chromosome or extra chromosome element called plasmid. An easy plasmid DNA mobilized from one species to another, or even from one genus to another. To find methicillin-resistant bacteria, the clinical and laboratory standard institutes stated that the test from detecting MRSA was using the antibiotic cefoxitin, which in this study was 94% sensitive Staphylococcus species bacteria. Other study of Afir Rahman et al. 2014 monitoring substitute of methicillin for the treatment of MRSA, one of which is vancomycin. In his research, vancomycin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus was 1.7%, and in the study there was 5% vancomycin resistant. Although in the study several types of Staphylococcus bacteria were not only Staphylococcus aureus, but they still had to be vigilant because about Afif Rahman et al. Research. Conclusion: within 2 years, that the bacteria were dominated by gram-positive Staphylococcus species and followed by gram-negative bacteria, namely Escherichia, Klebsiella, and the result of the average antibiotic resistant test for the penicillin group, namely penicillin, ampicillin, and amoxicillin, were resistant to bacteria found, but the highest was in the cephalosporin group, namely cephalotin. The most type of specimen is pushed. The place of origin of the sample came from third floor inpatient. And the last one, there is no shift in the pattern of bacteria at Permata Cirebon Hospital, only increased in the number of bacteria from 11 to 21 type of 2020. So the integrated supervision is needed in the use of antibiotic. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.